Did you know hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards? Their wings move in a unique figure-8 pattern, allowing them to hover in place, zip forward, or even reverse in midair. No other bird has this level of aerial control. Hummingbirds are also the smallest birds in the world. Some are just 3 inches long. But don't be fooled by their size. Their wings can beat up to 80 times per second, and their tiny hearts race over 1,000 beats a minute. To fuel all that energy, they visit hundreds of flowers a day, sipping nectar with their long, straw-like tongues. In return, they help pollinate plants, making them an important part of the ecosystem. So the next time you see a hummingbird darting around, remember, you're watching nature's little helicopter, the only bird in the world that can fly backwards.